Hey guys, yes, this is Jeffrey with Fair Value Trade. I entered into a pretty good entry here. Um, I'm working, but I just saw this trade on the micro Dow and saw came up to resistance, started breaking down, MACD crossed, and I want to see how far this is gonna drop. I'm up 23 bucks in the micro. It's not bad, um, but let's see what we can counter today on this drop down. It's down here on the 20, so you gotta be careful. Could just spike back up, but let's see what happens in the next 30 seconds. But not a bad trading day today, guys. The market is moving. We got the Russell sitting a little stagnant here. We got the Nasdaq look like it wants to curl back up, possibly. Came down, didn't create a new low. And MACD line is now above the signal line, and we can possibly get a quick up run, maybe, or we may still fall down with this, with all of these confluences. We got the open, we have the 20, we have the 8, or the 26, and you have the 12, and it could easily drop down here. So it's good to see the possibilities. So let's see, guys. Let's see what we're working with here on the Nasdaq. Let's just see. All right, who's trading? Where you getting in? Where you getting out? Are you scalping? What are you doing this morning on June 29th? All right. Which market you trade in? Are you sim trading? Are you live trading? Are you working and trading? What are you doing? All right. And what's your profits? What's your losses? No one talks about losses. What are your losses? What are your, how many trades did you take? 2, 3, 13, 1, none. Either way, they're all tactics of trading. Not trading is trading. You're just watching. All right. So sometimes if your entry sucks, man, you got to get out, abandon ship, go somewhere else, do something else. If you hit your loss goal, it's hard, but try to disappear, right? Try to move around and go do something else, and let's just see how the rest of the trading day goes. You never know. You'd be surprised. All right. And let's see what the Nasdaq is doing, guys. Let's see if it's gonna push through here. Let's see what it wants to do. You could short. Who's shorting? Who wants to short here at the 20? Maybe for a quick scalp. I get it if you're not, especially with this quick, these big, green bars here. But this could have been a good short. Maybe down for a quick 10 points. Yeah, nice short. Whoever took it, nice short. Alright, just be careful. Just be real careful. It could come right back on you and bite you. So we're gonna see what it wants to do here. And didn't do much on the micros. $9, right? One trade, one easy trade. 104 in the sim right now. $9 live. And maybe I'm done live. No more trading for that. Just do sim trading for now. I think it's kind of moving a little slow. So you got to be careful. If you didn't catch it at the top, you may want to hold back a little bit until you see some true market direction. Right now, this is still bearish for me. The overall tone is bearish. Maybe when it start crossing some of these lows, maybe do another pullback, I get a little more excited. But let's just pull a trade out the hat. Let's see which one we can come up with, or it may not be none. I guess we'll see in the next few minutes. Let's see. Might have missed that one. Yeah, missed it. Got him. I saw it too late. But whoever did take this, nice rundown. Stop could have been maybe above the 26 EMA, or maybe midway. And look at that drop. All right, broke what we wanted it to break. There's a mid break here. We have one more. This is not a true support, right? Because now it broke it. So now we're waiting for this to be a determination for us right here. Alright, that's what we're waiting on. Let's just see what we have. What it wants to reward us, guys. Be patient. Trade on your own terms, right? Choose your strategy. Long, sell. It's the idea, right? Buy, sell, long, short. But you're going to have to make a decision as long as you know your exit when you actually hit that button, right? Knowing your exit is very important. Find a direction, initiate the trade, take the profit, but you got to manage your money once you hit that trade, whether it's for profit or whether it's for losses. All right, that's the idea. That's the golden rule in trading: is know your exit, know when to get out the trade, stop losses, get out the trade. Most people are like, oh, I don't do stop losses. Well, your account must be pretty big then, right? But we do stop losses over here. All right, that's important to the psychology and the confidence that you'll have. That if you don't, it's very likely that you can mess up and you can blow your account, right? It may not be a huge blow, but you know, it could be a big chunk of your money that you could have kept in your account, right? So just keep that in mind. And to me, it's just be careful, right? No other explanation than that. Just be careful.